Hello. Hi, Tati.
Hey Matt, what's up?
I need your help with something.
What can I help you with?
Well, I accidentally hurt one of my friends, so I don't know what to do.
Well, do you want to repair the relationship?
Yeah, I really want to make things right. They're really important to me, and I want to make sure that I'm able to fix this.
Okay, that's really good. I actually did a reading recently that says there are 5 steps to a genuine apology.
Ooh, please enlighten me.
Yeah, so the first step is actually saying the 2 words, I'm sorry.
Oh, really? Um, just straight up, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sorry. What do I do next?
The second step is naming the hurt or the harm that you've caused.
Okay. So I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that joke about you.
Mhm. And then the third step is naming the impact.
Yeah, they told me this through text. I felt really bad. Um, so I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that joke about you. It made you really uncomfortable and it was disrespectful.
You're doing really well, and there's just 2 steps left. So the fourth step is taking responsibility by naming your action.
Okay, so like owning up to it.
Exactly.
Okay, so I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that joke about you. It was disrespectful and it made you uncomfortable. And even though I had different intentions, I still said it. Okay.
And the last step is committing to not doing the harm again.
So like making sure that I fix what I did so that way it doesn't happen again.
Exactly. Because you can say an apology, but if there's no action to repair the harm, then it's not a true, genuine apology.
Mm, yeah, it's totally true. Okay. So I guess the apology will look like this, where I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that joke about you. It was disrespectful and it made you uncomfortable. Even though I had different intentions, I still said it. And I'll make sure to rethink and be more considerate about what I say. Is that it?
That's it. That's perfect.
Ooh. Wow, okay. I feel a lot better now that I know how to give a genuine apology.
Yeah, and you can actually thank the Bay Area Transformative Justice Collective.
Ooh, sounds like a cool group. Thank you. Yeah, I'll check out this article if you can send it to me later.
I will. I'll send it you in a text.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate that, Tati.
Bye. Good
See you.
luck.
Thank you.